Just been randomly joined by Lamborghini. Got the 695 Aposto here as well. You couldn't make this up, really. Oh my god, absolutely loads of McLarens. And welcome back to another video back on the Driven 24/7 automotive YouTube channel. As always, my name's Amber. We're currently in a free car Convoy. I've got my parents in front of me in their modified Abarth 595 Competizione convertible, and I've got Martin behind me in his Fiesta ST, and we're actually heading to a little local Abarth meet, but anyone can come along. It's not actually been arranged by me, this meet, it's just been arranged by someone else on my Abarth Owners Club that I founded. And so yeah, we're going down Sandbanks, a nice beauty spot, nice place to hold a car meet. A few of us should be there, not just in Abarth, but a few other cars there hopefully as well. So yeah, we're just in a little convoy. My parents giving it some in front of me. Not long till we're there, so I'll see you when we're there and we'll see what turns up. So as you can see, we've actually parked the car park because it's so busy along the seafront. Just been randomly joined by Lamborghini. We've got a few Abarths here, including a 695 Aposto and a 695 Ferrari edition. Show you around what's here so far, and hopefully a few more turn up. So this is the Lamborghini that just turned up as the guy got out of it. It's a nice Abarth when he chuckled. There is apparently a Mclaren meet going on at the same time as ours. Yay, they're here. Parents, Leon and Daryl. Got the 695 Aposto here as well, and then my one. We've now got 4 yellows here. Most yellows I've probably seen at a local meet before. Now this looks pretty cool. I see another Abarth turning up as well. Bit of a shunt around my dad and the new one that's just turned up. Random MG in the middle, but hey ho. These must be all the McLarens turn up to McLaren meet, although behind us we've also got a stance car meet happening. Might as well get these McLarens on film while we're here. Oh my god, absolutely loads of McLarens. Oh wow. You couldn't make this up, really. McLaren's absolutely everywhere, taking over here. All these McLarens are parking near our little Bath meet. How cool is this? Wow. So this guy's come all the way down from Andover to Poole in Dorset with his modified Abarth 595 SS. Just showing me it's got an AirTech intercooler through that grille there at the front. Got the vented bonnet. Nice Italia wrap going on here as well. He does use this on track. I'll show you the inside, and it's proper stripped out inside. So it's proper stripped out car. He reckons it's running 180 horsepower. Hasn't been mapped. Has been decatted though. He's even got rid of the door handles as well. So we've got the Corby bucket seats, the harnesses in for the driver, not for the passenger. So we're just inside the 695 Aposto, and these are again obviously 695 being proper stripped out. So we've got the pulls to, well, close the door with. Yeah, 695 Aposto save out seats. Little 695 Aposto badge there. He said he's hoovered it especially for this meet. Makes it look nice and tidy for the video. Obviously these don't even come with a radio. These are so sort of basic specs. You don't buy it for spec, you buy it for the fact that it's a 695 Aposto. Also got the carbon backs on these seats. I'll show you the back in a second. strap brace going along with the netting. He actually puts his dog in there and actually ties it to the bar, so it's quite good for dog transportation. Just going around the exterior, we've got the carbon front splitter. OZ Racing wheels, carbon fibre side skirt extensions, nice arches. I've never noticed actually the sort of arch extensions on these as well. Real nice. 695 record badge there on the side of the wing. Got a different spoiler on the back, 695 aerial delete on the top there as well. Then we've got the carbon splitter at the back. With apparently these are aquapovic tips, but they're actually titanium ones. I did not know that. So he's actually going in a minute, so just quickly get him on the video before he goes. Sam's turned up in his Abarth. He has done so much to this. This is Series 3. We've actually got the Series 4 rear tail lights on. We've got the gel plates by the looks of things. Spoiler extension there as well, and he's just recently had these different wheels put on and refurbished in gold. We've got the Sabout tone eye strap on the front as well, just in case he gets into any trouble. Yeah, Sam's done a lot to this. I did a video of him once ages ago. Click on the card above and you can see, but yeah, he's doing things to this little Abarth. He's done well. So we've got the old retro Strider convertible. I invited him along in a two-tone brown that matches my dad's two-tone rare fit Panda VIP. So cool when I saw the two cars together, but yeah, glad he could make it. All the Abarths and an old Fiat here as well. It always looks so clean as well. Oh, okay, cool. I like that. Yeah. I quite like it. You've done it looks a bit like a glittery sort of. Yeah. And where's the dump? Oh, the little, it's like a little coney sort of filter one, is it? Yeah, filter on it.
Yeah, we've put that one in.
Oh, wow, okay.
So you have to cut the steel away. Down there.
What, down?
Yeah, under there. I've made it, disguised it.
Oh, well done.
But yeah, you've got to cut the steel away to fit it in, and then that's a square. People always think it's crushed, but it's a square.
It's
so
meant to be,
squashed.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's quite, quite hidden as well. Like it's not like stand out in your face.
Yeah, and it makes sucky noises. It makes a dump valve.
So you haven't got a dump valve?
No.
Oh, but that does it anyway, sort of thing.
You just hear it from the standard reset. So me and my mum, the Driven 24/7 top, we're just having a look at the Mclarens. So do you like this one as well, Mum?
I like the green one.
Oh, you like the green one? Look at this luminous orange on this one.
And I like the grey as well.
So cool.
Yeah, I love that one.
Such a cool two-tone as well. Oh my god. Green one, yellow stripes as well. This one was actually at the meet I went to a little while ago, Supercar meet. Click on the card above, you'll see that. Just Mclaren's absolutely everywhere. I'm liking this blue one down the end. Bit of blue and orange going on over here. I'm liking this one. Luke's parked his ST over here. I did tell him to come and join us. Repping the old Driven 24/7 sticker. Thank you, Luke. It's cool, isn't it? It's a nice ST. Do you like it, Martin, being an old one?
I like it.
It's tidy. Best colour as well to have it in, I think, these ones. Look at the plate. Whatever that means. I don't know. Oh, this is lush. BMW next to it sounds nice as well. Some more of the Mclarens over here.
I did last year when I had a bit of a bad experience.
Convertible one. This is nice. Black and blue. I think this is the one I have. So it's about 9:15, just got back from the meet at Sandbanks with some of the Abarth crew. Like I said, there were rumours that there was a Mclaren meet happening at the same time. That rumour was definitely not a rumour, it was 100% true. Not only that, about 20 or 30 of the McLarens turned up. We were joined by a few random cars as well. There was a Lambo parked with us, an old MG, and then there was another meet going on behind us with like stance, airlift sort of cars. So there was all sorts of cars there. So there was 3 meets in one. And to top it off, I'm going to put it in a minute, we actually saw Harry Redknapp, lives locally. Martin managed to shout his name, managed to get a little selfie without being too close. Just want to say I've been working hard on a Driven 24/7 brand YouTube thing. I'm now making all the t-shirts and stickers myself. I've got a cutting machine for the stickers and I'm supplying my own t-shirts and making them all myself. So everything is literally now 100% made by me, no middleman. And while I'm here, I'm just going to plug some of my products that I've started making myself. A couple of the Driven 24 logo stickers. So we got a white sort of glitter one here that I've made. And this one's a bit harder to see on camera. Black glitter one. There you go, nice little shimmer there. So they're now up on the website, link in description to my store. So if you want to support me and my YouTube and my Abarth further, you can do by making a purchase. T-shirts being made by me will be up on the website soon. Just need to master the technique, then they'll be up for sale. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you haven't already, then please do subscribe, ring that bell so you're notified every time a video goes up on my automotive YouTube channel. Do follow me on Instagram. I'm on Twitter as well. You can find me on all the socials. You should know that by now. Thanks for watching this one. I hope you enjoyed this one. I haven't been to a Abarth meet in a while. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.